So we are in Berlin and we're about to visit a wool shop here. A friend of mine just found out this wool shop and we're just gonna go have a look. Wollen Berlin. So beautiful. Hello. So schön hier. Wow. Viele Farben. This is all the yarn they have. Wow, look at this one. This is so amazing. Guck mal hier. I think it's very dangerous for me to be here. But we're just gonna have a look around first, and I perhaps gonna pick one of these. Wow, look at this one. I think this is more like the yarn for a little bit autumn and winter because it's gonna be a little bit thicker. I mean, this is, let me see. Wow, I have never heard this brand before. This is wool, real shatter wool. Really, if you are in Berlin, you have to check this shop out. It's amazing. Wow, look at all these colors. I know this brand. Actually, I saw someone post about this brand before. MayaLunaCorazon. Wow, look at this. This is sock yarn. Oh, look at this one. The shop also is so beautiful. And the collection that they have is just wow. Look at this, what is in here. I definitely gonna get something. This is more like summer yarn, I believe. There's a different brand in here. There's some it's cut here, Merino Baby, Record. I think this different leftover of the yarn that perhaps not produced anymore. We have lots of magazines. And look at this one. This is a little bit thicker. I think this will be great for winter. But yeah, I really love the color. Let's see what I'm gonna pick from here. Okay. Look at this close up here. Look at the colors. When we were in Mainz, I thought I already found a shop that I love it very much, but this shop it just have much more choice. But every shop offers different. This is all MayaLunaCorazon. Oh no, this is lang yarn. This is lang yarn. Lang yarn offers so many different colors as well. So comment below right now if you also love this yarn shop, and I will share with you the link. If you're in Berlin, you can also visit that shop. And I will ask them, I don't know if they ship as well. And yeah, if you have any yarn suggestion or question, you can also put them down below in the comments and I will look through everything. And also I would like to know if you like this shop better than the shop last time in Mainz, so I know how many people like this kind of shop that most of the thing their future is the yarn, or the shop that also have the finished piece to show you what they have made. But I have to say, wow, these candy colors, whew, I can just live here. And the color, how she organized everything here, just like it make you, it inspires you first to organize your yarn, but it also make it easier for the buyer to just choose the color that they're looking for. And any one of you who are watching the video are also own the yarn shop, and what do you think about this type of shop and the color themes? Let me share our knowledge, our wisdom about the yarn. Wow, it's just a beautiful movement. It's like a new toy for me.